I'm in the kitchen. It's cold, it's snowy, it's icy. It's just that time of the year. It is. I still have Christmas decorations up. I know. I need to get them down. I will. Macy will be here to help me soon, so I'll get that done. But let's make us a honey bun cake or a sticky bun cake. Let's call it a sticky bun cake. No, I don't have a recipe. Yes, I'm just winging this. Yes, y'all know that's what I like to get in here and do and just create and come up with things all on my own. So, that's what we're gonna do. Got my trusty bundt pan greased with butter and just some little dabs of butter in the bottom because we're going to add in the bottom. I need to get me out some more brown sugar. Let's see. I'm gonna try to measure it for y'all. That's about a half a cup. Let's see how far that gets us. We don't want too much because this is kind of going to be like a glaze. There we go. About a fourth of a cup of brown sugar. And I've got some chopped pecans. If you don't like nuts or pecans, leave them out. But I love them. So here we go. I'm just going to go in here with a little handful just to put a layer right here. Yeah, there we go. And we got to add a little bit of cinnamon. I don't have a shaker pot on this one. Get me out a spice spoon. All right. Now then, let's mix up our cake. And I'm just using a box cake. Just a plain old classic yellow cake. Y'all, there may be a recipe for this out there that I've never seen. I don't know. I didn't go looking. I just thought I've got this, I got this, I got this, I got this. So let's just make us a cake, right? All right, to this, we're gonna make it just like the box says. We need a cup of water. A cup of water. We need a half a cup of oil. There we go. And we need 3 large eggs. I'm going to crack them right into there. There's 1. 2. And 3. All right, let's mix this up. I forgot, let's add us a teaspoon of vanilla. Just for good measure. It's snowing, so we'll use this little snowman. All right. Vanilla bean paste, if y'all wondered why it was so thick, that's what it is. It's vanilla bean paste. All right. Now then, get all that cake goodness off of our beater. Now we're we're going to pour about half of our cake mix in here. Just about half. Oops, I went across the top there. I didn't mean to do that. I'll scoop it off. Now then, we're going to go in there with a little more brown sugar. I'm just going to use my hand this time. Just a nice little layer of brown sugar. Y'all see what I'm doing? I brought the cake. Good Lord, I'm about as scattered today as I've ever been. Here we go. Now y'all can see. We had butter, pecans, and cinnamon, and brown sugar in the bottom. And we're going to go in there with a layer of brown sugar and some more cinnamon. And a few more pecans. Now we'll go in here with the other half of our cake. Spread this around just a little bit. Put a little more than half the first time. I should have saved a little more, but you know what? It'll be fine. All right. Now then, I'm going to put this in 350-degree oven until a toothpick comes out almost clean. Okay? And then I'll be right back. Wait until my... I've lost y'all somewhere.
Does this extra softener fall off here or something?
Yeah.
But why doesn't the soap fall off? Or does it
Probably heavier. It does at times.
No, this fabric softener's heavier than that.
It was probably sitting closer to the edge.
Okay, I have successfully returned from a fishing trip. I went down the icy back steps because
I was afraid Andy would fall.
Because Lynn didn't want Andy to fall, but obviously she didn't care whether I fell or not.
No, he knows
So
how
now,
to be safe.
okay, listen to that. And so I went out on my fishing trip and got these fresh out of the freezer and brought them back in here successfully. But that reminds me of a totally irrelevant, unrelated story at all. So she sent her husband out instead of her son. Is my dad always used to tell this story. He had a cousin, I believe, had gotten drafted into World War II. And this boy's mother kind of got riled up because her husband, the boy's father, had served in World War I or something. And she got all mad and she told him, says, "You just need to go in his place because he doesn't know a thing about fighting." So, I mean, so I guess Andy knows nothing about fighting about fishing, so I was sent out to land this catch, and that's all I got. So
I didn't want him to fall and get hurt because he doesn't understand ice, and you have to be very careful when you walk on it. So, there you go. There's our story.
I guess that means I'm the ice whisperer.
That's right. All right, let's flip our cake out. little bit of it stuck into the bottom though. So I have to get it out. Because that's the good part. That's the good part. This is the good part. The yummy part. Uh-oh. There went a nut. Guess I didn't have quite enough butter in the bottom for it to make it like syrupy. But like I said, I was just making myself as I went along. I didn't know how much butter to put in it or on it or whatever. All right, we're gonna let this cool a little bit and we'll have some after a while. Look at this cake. Doesn't that look yummy? Yummy, yummy, yummy. Okay. You all remember, like, share, subscribe, comment, ring the bell for notifications so you don't miss a video. That'll be all for this one. I'll see you all in the next one. Thanks for watching.